Right, folks, we are looking at the Yungblud cover version of I Was Made for Lovin' You from the new Fall Guy soundtrack. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's brilliant fun. If you do want the Kiss one, just comment below. Now, tone-wise, I'm just using my amp for the clean stuff with a little bit of reverb from the Skylar. But then I'm using the funny little Boxers 1991 which for the distorted bits. So the first part is played on the piano. So just some chords, right? We have D minor to an F to an A to a G minor. Around again, this time D, F, G minor, A. So same chords, just slightly different order. It's the D minor, F, G minor, A major. Well, you could play it here. More piano stuff. This time though, I would just strum on the beat. So we'd have okay, so there's a little bit of piano bits in there, like the little rundown and stuff. But you can do it all on the guitar. So, going through that part, we have D minor to B flat major. So you just move this shape up one fret and down one string. And again, 4 times. G minor, A. And you can put that passing note in as well to go back to the D minor, right? I mean, the full chord would be. And then D minor again, okay? So we go round again. A, but this time we're going to do the rundown. That's a little bit tricky. You're going to put your second finger on the 3rd fret, and by doing so you're going to mute the A string. Same deal here. I use my thumb over the top here, and I'm muting the A string with a bit of my thumb. It sounds a bit weird when it's left to ring out, but it sounds fine, right, as part of that little section. And then there you just got the open E and D, so the low 2 strings are open. And then you go back to the D minor. And that's when the band comes in. Next part, put on your favourite distortion pedal, or overdrive pedal, and play this. 2, 3, 4, 1. Like that. Go around that twice. Let's slow that down. So we've got 7 and 8 there on the G and the B string. Little pull off there. Don't worry if you can't do that. Just play. Just pick it if you can't play it, okay? So we do 3, 4, 1. Then you play the same thing down here for the G minor, right? But you switch then back to the D. That's like D minor to C. Okay? But you're gonna, I mean, I would fret it like a D minor. And then you got your first finger already in position there, right? So again, one more time slowly. 3, 4, 1. Do that twice. Then it subtly changes because you're just going between the D minor and the G minor. So we have. just repeat the same thing. Just in that position. All right. Second time, you do what we played the first time, which is again here you could do a pull off. But you've got to pull off all 3 fingers. Again, just pick it if you can't do that. Now, meanwhile, over the top, there's some solo-y overdubs, which we can play too. So the first one goes 3, 4, 1. That's the first little fill. Okay. So you've got a little pull off, and again here, and then a little grace note slide from the 6 to 8. Next part goes 3, 4, 1. You can play it with your third finger or your little finger. Like that, okay. I like to get my other fingers behind my bends. Gives you a bit more strength and control there, right? So it's a full step, bend on the 13th fret on the B string. So you bend it up, release it, pull off. Then we've got a staccato note. And then another bend. But you bend, release, and then slowly bend again. One step up, so that's your target note, okay? 2 bars of rest, then we have this other fill, 3, 4, 1. Again. Okay, that's easy enough, and then we have another bar of rest, and then the last bit with this bit, you know, you play this. Pretty straightforward, okay? Then we go into some like palm muted gallopy stuff. So you can do that, but what you'll notice is that it starts to play more 16th notes than that. I've kept it quite simple here, but you will hear something like this. You know what I mean? So you can just like mix it up there. Only thing to note there is on the repeat, it plays, when you go to the 10th fret, you only do 1 bar of it. So you'll just have... And over the top you've got this, and I would palm mute some of it. You know, that stuff, right? So again, 3, 4, 1. And then you go silent for like 2 bars, and then it goes back into the chorus. You know, into that stuff, okay? So pretty straightforward. You're going outlining the chords really. You got D minor. One guitar's doing that. F next. This chord really. Then we go to A. Okay, that's the A chord, right? And we have... and then rest. And then you've got a break, and then the chorus. 3, 4, 1. Like that. Then we go into a halftime fill. There's some acoustic guitar playing here now, but it's... just that. So you're going from a B flat to a C. Okay, and it's kind of like a middle 8 section, but we've got 3, 4. You got that going on, okay? So it's down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. Same both times, right? Do that 4 times, and then we change. Same strumming pattern though. So we're going to go D minor to B flat major, then to C, then to G major. Lovely, isn't it? So we'd have... do that twice, and then for the outro, subtle difference, you replace the G with A. So you'd have... round twice, and then you end on D minor. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one, and go check the film out. It's awesome. See you soon.